I'm on a Honda XL200R. Sorry if the wind is picking up. I tried to position in a corner even. See if I can get this so it's not too bad. I'll see the video out. Maybe work some magic on the audio as well. But, XL200R, Harry Dakar, larger tank, electric start. Really nice bike. The colours really match it. It's had a full top end rebuild, service, spark plug oils, everything's been done to it. It's on the book. It's come in from Spain as well, which a lot of our kind of off-roading bikes are coming in from now is Spain. It's a really nice bike. It's got a low seating height as well for those out there as well. It's got a rear rack and a few bits and bobs, but it also has its kind of NCT or whatever that they call it over in Spain from till 2022. It's actually till the 7th, so next year summer. So it's been checked over as well by people in Spain and then by us as well. It's a 1988 bike, so it has 26-euro road tax and it has classic insurance as well. And if you look online, all the reviews are raving about these bikes, so really highly regarded, especially the Harry Dakar version, which this one is. So that's a little intro on the bike. We'll now move to the visual analysis before we move to the ride along at the end. But if you haven't enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe and like the video. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Alright, and we're on to the Honda XL200R. We'll do the visual inspection now from front to rear. Start with the front tire, which is okay. And we have the alloy, spokes, the gaiters are in brilliant condition. Front mudguard is really good. Original indicators and front headlamp. Importantly, the original tank, which is the larger Harry Dakar tank on the XL200R in these beautiful colours. 35,000 on the clock. Aftermarket grips on it, but all the kind of text on it is still there. Really nice. Mirrors, the seat as well. We have the two rear indicators, original rear brake light. 1988, it's road registered. It's got a perfectly good rear tire. Swing arm at the rear is good as well. Engine has a bit of fading on the paint, but still in red. And we have the exhaust itself, which is looking good. The header at the top, you see a distinct lack of rust on the bike throughout. Original exhaust. The left hand side of the bike now, we have the original chain guard, which is odd to see. A lot of bikes are just kind of ripped off and not put back on after a service. Left hand side panel has a little bit of cracking at these usual points. Rear rack as well, if you want to put a back box on, it is present. Honda on this left hand side, the engine wise is good. It's electric start as well, which is rare for these bikes at this age as well, which is really nice to have. Makes the bike a lot more practical. And we have down the front disc as well, which is looking fine. So that's it for the visual inspection on the XL200R. Okay, so we're away on the XL200R. And we're flying through. Lovely bike. Really nice. Going through all the gears nicely. Electric start, which is mega. Which is very nice to have on a bike like this. I do have to take it fairly handy now around here. In fairness, I am in a residential estate, so just beware of that. And if you haven't seen on other videos, I've explained why I don't really go out on the main road, because if I go out of Retro Bikes Dublin here out onto the street up towards the Baker's Corner pub, it takes minimum 10 minutes. So if I'm doing 3 or 4 bikes, that one road is 30 minutes, so one bike would probably take me 40 minutes to do.
which just isn't feasible. It just means I wouldn't be able to get any videos out to you. So it's kind of one of those things that's either ain't around here or no video at all. So this is the better of the two evils. So that's that. We have our mirrors, we have everything nice. I think our indicators, let me just check the front left, front right working, horn working, running through the gears nicely, plenty of little power, getting away from the taxi lad. He knows what these types of bikes are about. So we have our lights on, parking, high beam, all that kind of stuff. So we'll just go around here now. I'm going to take a left here and we'll put the bike down as usual. Really nice, idling nicely, which is, you know, not that it's rare to find, but a lot of these kind of XRs or whatever, they're a bit of a pig on idle. They want to be run. This one seems a bit more friendly in that kind of way. And straight into neutral. Nice. Side stand down. Nice. Very, very nice. Let's go through electrics. How do I turn on lights and stuff? That's there we go. Front headlamp is working. Front left indicator and rear left indicator working. Front right indicator and rear right indicator working. Rear brake light working also. Very, very nice. Honda XR or XL200R PD Dakar. Idling nicely, driving, going through the gears, all the lights working. Very, very nice. Right, there we go. Little picture of her. Now, if you liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more of these videos as well, like I said, just hit the subscribe button. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook, Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.